Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating polls. Let's get started. The users inside your Facebook group are interested in your group community's business niche. Group admins and moderators must create ways to keep the engagement in your group alive. One way to keep an engaged community is to initiate the conversation and create polls. Polls inside your Facebook group will allow your group members to respond to the question in your poll. Once they choose an option, that will be counted as one vote for that option. Polls are easy to respond to. It gives the members a list of choices to choose from the options that you have included in your poll. To create a poll, go to the Create a Post section inside your Facebook group. Click on the three dots to view more options to add to your post. Look for Poll, then write something about your poll. By default, there will be 3 options for your poll, and to add more options, just click the button Add Option. Click Poll Options to enable or disable the options such as allow people to choose multiple answers or allow anyone to add options. Then click Post. Here's the poll that we have created. The poll will allow our group members to choose one option from your poll, and they can also suggest their ideas as an option for your poll. This allows you to take note of the added option by your group members. Polls help your business get feedback on your products. You can generate and gather quick feedback as you use polls inside your group. It will be easier for your group members to engage in your created poll as they can just click on the options that you have provided. Once you gather enough votes from the polls, you can jump into conclusion that the option with the highest result is what most of your group members prefer. Next, use images as your media of comparison. You can generate more engagement when you include photos in your polls. You may ask the question of which among the photos do your members prefer. Images can catch people's attention, and they are more likely to provide their opinion when you include images to get their opinion. It makes the engagement fun for your members as you include photos as options for your poll. Another option is to use images to ask closed-ended questions, like having an option with a yes or no. In this example, they have set yes as the like emoticon and no for the red heart icon. As you can see, thousands of people liked the poll, while hundreds of users have chosen the heart icon, which indicates the no option. It also generated over 1,000 comments. Next, get valuable input for event details. You can use polls to gather valuable information from your members. If you're hosting events, you can provide options that your members can choose from, like the location, date and time your members prefer for the event. Polls allow you to gather options that your group members can choose from. Each option shows the total number of votes from your group members. From the data that you have gathered, you can decide which is the best option for your poll, and you can choose the option with the highest votes. You can see that your poll can generate more engagement, such as likes and comments. Now that you know about creating polls, we can now proceed to the next topic, using Group Watch Party. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.